Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can mask in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open a Canva design and then you're going to create a new design. You're going to go to uploads from the left side bar and upload the image you want to mask. Then you're going to go to elements and you can go to frames or shapes and you can pick the shape you want for your mask, for example, circle, square, heart, etc. And you can drag it onto your canvas. So once you have dragged that, you're going to drag your uploaded image into the frame and the image will automatically fit the shape. You can double click the image inside the frame to reposition or resize it. Then, in order to customize your masked image, you can apply filters, adjust brightness or contrast, or also add any sort of effects, and add multiple masks by duplicating the frame and swapping images. Once done, you can click on share and then go to download and select your preferred format such as PNG, JPG, or PDF. And that's basically how you can mask in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out. And I'll see you next time.